Welcome to Christine's Musings, where she shares thoughtful moments from her day. Christine's Musings, May 4th, 2022. Human Nature. Featured image, Ren. My soul, my spirit, my consciousness, my mind's free will, and my freedom are all choices that I make when I make decisions. My individual personal destiny is determined by these choices. To think is choice. It is human nature. Not to think would leave my life to fate, not destiny. I choose destiny. Visit Christine's website at christinealfrey.com to read more musings, or watch them right here on her YouTube page.